This is our new Powerhouse 7200. From the outside, it looks just like the rest of our Powerhouse products, but on the inside, that's where all the differences are. Let's get into the specs. So the inverter in this new version of the Powerhouse is rated to handle up to 7,200 watts of continuous power, and it can also support up to 14,400 watts of output peak power. So this inverter can handle 120 volt output using these sockets right here, or if you need 240 volts, you can do that using this socket right here. And just for added convenience, we included 2 standard USB-A ports, 2 fast charging USB-A, and 2 USB-Cs. You also have a standard 12 volt accessory outlet right up front here, or you can use this 12 volt barrel port, which is perfect for a Nature's Generator power light. So there are a couple different ways that you can recharge the Powerhouse. One of the ways is using solar panels. With the built-in charge controller, you can charge via solar at a rate of up to 2,000 watts. You can also recharge using a wind turbine at a rate of up to 1,000 watts. So 2 additional ways that you can recharge the Powerhouse are 1, using 120 volts, something that you would find, out of your wall outlet, or if you're able to supply 240 volts, you can charge using that and our supercharging cable at a rate of up to 1,300 watts. Now you're probably wondering, hey, can I charge using 120 volts and 240 at the same time? Unfortunately, you cannot, because the system is going to prioritize the highest voltage that it sees. So I wouldn't try that. A single inverter is rated to handle 7,200 watts of continuous power. Now, using our combiner cable, you're able to double that to provide 14,400 watts of continuous power, and also doubling your output peak power to 28,800 watts. So the battery capacity in this Powerhouse is rated to 4,800 watt hours. However, that can be expanded using an additional battery or one of our more sophisticated power pods. We'll get more into that later. The difference between the power pod and just a regular battery is a couple of different things. The biggest one being, as you can see, this power pod has its own built-in charge controller, meaning that it can be charged independently of having to use the inverter, whereas the battery down here at the bottom, you would have to charge through the inverter. Some of the key differences between the power pod and just a regular battery are the power pod can be charged on its own as it's got its own built-in charge controller, which, it makes things a little easier. Whereas with the battery down here, it relies entirely on the inverter for it to charge. So the power pod includes a 47-inch expansion cable. To connect the power pod to your inverter, simply grab your cable, remove this cap here for the expansion port, plug this in, and you're good. Now, if you wanted to use an additional power pod or another battery, you can leave everything in place and plug directly in to your power pod like so, thus expanding your battery capacity. Now the charge controller that's built into the power pod allows you to charge the battery built in using solar at a rate of up to 2,000 watts, whereas right next to it you can also use wind input, which is rated to about 1,000 watts. Now the power pod does have some output capability, rated at 12 volts, and you can access that using the 12 volt accessory socket right up front, or the one right next to it, the little 12 volt barrel port. On its own, the power pod has a capacity of 4,800 watt hours. Now the power pod, as I mentioned, does have its own built-in charge controller. However, if you are using the 7,200 watt inverter in this Powerhouse, as long as you make the connections in the back, you can do all of your charging through the inverter itself. One last detail about the Powerhouse 7200 is that everything you see here is backwards compatible with all of our existing Powerhouse options. And that's just another way we make it easier for you to transition to green power. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on all of our socials at Nature's Generator, or visit us at naturesgenerator.com, and also let us know what else you'd like to see by adding some comments below. Thanks for watching.